Is there anything I can do for winning custody after the guardian ad litem or GAL report is favoring my ex? Is paying more to my attorneys worth it or not? After you ask, is there anything I can do for winning custody after the GAL report is favoring my ex? Is paying more money to my attorney worth it or not? Then you need to ask these questions. Is the GAL's report favoring your ex accurate? Otherwise stated, am I unfit to be awarded custody anyway, whether that be the sole custody or joint custody or equal custody award? Because if you're unfit to be awarded custody, the custody you want, or any kind of custody award that might be acceptable to you, you may have different and bigger obstacles than the GAL's report standing in your way. If the GAL's report favoring your ex is inaccurate and or biased, are the inaccuracies and biases significant and relevant? If so, can you prove it? Otherwise stated, do you have admissible evidence that conclusively establishes the GAL's report is inaccurate and or biased? If you have evidence of some minor or irrelevant inaccuracies, that likely won't be enough to persuade the court to disregard the report and recommendations of the GAL. If, however, you can show the GAL is incompetent, did shoddy work, and or indulged personal biases of his own or against you or something like that, irrespective of the facts, that might be enough to get the report thrown out, or at least to get the court to give the report less credence. So, in response to the question of whether it is worth it to pay your attorneys more money in an effort to discredit the GAL's reports and recommendations, if you conclude honestly that 1, you are fit to be awarded the custody award you seek, and you can prove it, and next, the GAL's report and recommendations are significantly inaccurate and or biased, and you can prove it, and next, you have the money and a good attorney necessary to make a winning presentation to the court, and finally, you conclude it's worth risking the money and the effort to make the attempt, then the answer to your question is yes.